Welcome to the Saturday Garage edition of Finding Frequency. I'm Van der Puchert. The Garage edition, yes, I am in the garage, scratching through the car after an adventure with my wife to IKEA. Let's see, is this the paper that I'm looking for? No, it's not. I can never find anything in this car ever, and I don't know, I'm not always sure why there's always papers everywhere in this car. I need to talk to Marta urgently. But back to the topic. Yes, we had a great day today. Marta and I had a bit of time to go to IKEA. Believe it or not, we value the opportunity to go to places like IKEA these days because, you know, we've got this shared problem. And apparently Poland at the moment's got problems because we are spiking. We are going upwards in our trends, expecting that things will probably close down again next week. When I say things, I think probably bigger stores. I need to get a bit of more hold of what's going to actually happen. I mean, it's not like we're going to restaurants at the moment, but there's definitely a spike. I think Hungary, for example, is also taking a huge knock at the moment. But there is a bit of laxness at the moment going on. Also, we have a problem. Houston, is that our vaccine rollout seems to be, in general, in the European Union, a bit of a lackluster affair. Even Germany seems to be taking a bit of pain at the moment. I'm not entirely sure what's happening in Poland. I'm seeing some numbers coming through on my phone. I have this little tracker. It's not amazingly exciting. It's a bit unsettling though, because when I look around me, the UK, the United States, you know, as a feeling, I always felt like, okay, cool, there was these things about like they didn't have really a handle on it. I mean, they had to deal with the orange man in the White House. The UK is still dealing with Boris Johnson, but it seems like they are really doing a good job with the vaccine rollout. My friend Terry let me know that she's getting vaccinated in July, if I remember correctly. I probably, at this stage, will only get vaccinated next year, probably late next year, at the way things are going, or with some of the information that I'm getting. Of course, things can change. Things will probably change as vaccines get rolled out, but it's a bit unsettling. I said to Marta yesterday that I just want to get, and I swore, vaccinated so I can get on a plane to go and see my parents in South Africa. It's really getting frustrating. Maybe it's also me suffering a little bit from this fatigue of sitting kind of locked up in our homes, and it's becoming ridiculous now. I feel like we have all these politicians, and especially here in Poland, you know, it's funny how fast they can turn around a abortion law, but when it comes to vaccinations, things just stall. And I think we need to start looking into that and maybe putting some pressure. But let's step away from that. Frantzi's off to Krynica with his babcha. He's going to be away for the whole week without Frantzi. I actually miss him already. He's only been away for a couple of hours. So, yeah, let me finish up here because I've got a wifey waiting for me upstairs. She's making some pizza for us. We're also going to watch some movies and just relax. There's something we haven't done for a long time. So I'm looking forward to that. And perhaps tomorrow we'll go take a walk or do something just, chilled. I hope you are having a chill time too. And as always, thank you for listening.